My name is Elsa.
My name is Gokhun.
I'm Pola.
Osama, Kasim.
My name is Nicolaj Højer Nielsen.
First year postgraduate student.
Studying in my second semester in Industrial Engineering and Management of my Masters.
Customer and Commercial Development.
Management and Industrial Engineering.
A full-time entrepreneur and business angel.
So we get to know the feel of the company in a more personal way.
I would love to collaborate with a startup community.
Getting to know what company performs the best and what are their achievements. I also wanted to see what startups have to offer to the students.
See what's their experience, see their open position.
The majority of my friends, they love networking sessions when they can talk to the people and exchange the business cards.
Broaden my opportunities here in Denmark from professional perspective.
What inspired me was actually my observation of having startups that are looking for talent and students that are looking for cool, innovative positions. And these two groups have a hard time meeting. So I thought, how can I do it in a very efficient manner? Well, basically do like a speed dating.
Fresh land, something which I never heard of, and the concept is quite interesting, so maybe for that, yeah.
I think it's set hype, something like this.
I would definitely invest in valuer. I really like the idea of matching startups and enterprises.
I would go for the food for kids. Because, yeah, most of them they want to make money, but I think a part of making money you have to bring any value for the society.
If I should choose one, I'm already there. But Subways, I'm already an investor. They have magnificent technology and some of the smartest machine learning people in the world.